Hello children, shall we learn a topic in chemistry today? What is this? Periodic table. Right. What is periodic table? It is nothing but the arrangement of elements in a organized manner. Who is this? He is Dmitri Mendeleev, the man who gave the periodic classification. You could see blocks. Each block represents the individual element. Every element has an individual block like gold, neon, potassium, tungsten, oxygen. What do they have there? They are represented with the atomic number. What are atomic numbers? They are nothing but the number of protons in a particular element. There should be a basis for organizing and arranging these elements. Dmitri Mendeleev, the Russian scientist, he arranged these elements in 1869 and published the periodic table. That time there are only 63 elements present. So what he did is even though the elements were not available, he was able to leave some spaces for those elements which could be discovered in the later years. He was also able to predict the atomic weights and their characteristic properties, and accordingly he has left the place in the periodic table. The periodic table of the chemical elements is one of the most significant achievements in the science, capturing the essence not only of chemistry but also of physics and biology. The periodic table which we are using now is organized in the increasing order of atomic number, and when the elements were discovered, the rows were added up. Here you can see there are 7 periods. You can see the horizontal rows, they are 7 periods, and you could see that there are 2 rows isolatedly kept below. What are they? They are called as the lanthanides and actinides. If lanthanides and actinides were placed in their original position, then the periodic table would have become too long. So they were placed separately under the periodic table. We were discussing about the horizontal rows. Now you can see vertical columns. How many vertical columns are there? There are 18 vertical columns, and they are called as groups or families. Elements in the particular group had similar properties. There are 18 vertical columns, that is groups, present in the periodic table. In a family, the members will have similar traits. Is it not? You would have noticed the same way the elements in the group had similar properties. First group elements are called alkali metals. The second group elements were called as alkaline earth metals. Group number 3 to 12, they were called as transition metals. And 13 is boron family, 14 is carbon family, 15 nitrogen family. 16th group, the oxygen family, is also called as chalcogen. 17th is the halogen, and 18th group is inert gases. Okay children, now answer these questions that are coming up. I hope you all would have understood what is a period and what is a group in the periodic table.